What's going on, everybody? Radikal Marketer YouTube channel where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I'm making videos daily. Matter of fact, 3 videos a day. So you don't want to miss it. If you're watching this video, binge watch yesterday and binge watch later today, wherever this video is launching, when it's launching, and you guys will be blessed by it. If this is your first time watching the channel, thank you so much for watching. Very conversational, all stuff and no fluff. We pride ourselves on that. Data points in the description below. Make sure that you always check that, because depending on when you're watching this video, it could be dated, it could be relevant, but you always want to do your own research. Not a financial advisor, for entertainment purposes only. All right, guys, and then all of you radical marketers out there, salute. I love seeing your comments in the comment section, the emojis, the questions being answered. I try my best to get to questions in 24 hours, but half the time, you amazing people are helping one another out, and that's why this channel and this is why this community is sweeping YouTube, and our Facebook group is growing rapidly. If you'd like to join the private Facebook group, it's free. Join in the description below. Guys, in this video, I'm going to do a review on Patelco Credit Union, okay? This is going to be a little bit of a lengthy one, so bear with me. We're going to talk about their amazing loan products, their credit cards, their homes, their HELOCs, and their auto loans, and their secured rebuilding credit products as well, okay? So just bear with me on this. I'll try to go as fast as I can, and then I'll do some separate videos on each product in its own entirety, okay? So guys, first off, Petelco is a member-owned nonprofit credit union that serves Northern Cali. Okay, it was founded in 1936. It's one of the oldest and largest credit unions in the country, and it's got over $8 billion in assets. So, and it's the 22nd largest credit union in the country, which is pretty great. So, it was also ranked in the top 10 for 2021 for bank rate. Okay, so I was like pretty blown away when I was doing research on this. The reason why I'm doing a lot of these credit union videos this month is because you guys have loved Navy Federal, and I wanted to give you guys other options besides Navy Federal. Even though Navy Federal is the biggest credit union in the world by far, they're not necessarily the quote-unquote best. It's what's best for you. They have great products, but there's a lot of other ones out here that you can become relationship banking with and get products that Navy Fed doesn't have. So in this situation, Patelco was one that I wanted to talk about for several reasons, but one of it is because it hit the top 10 this year. Okay, so that's one thing. Now, as far as membership goes, they have a free checking account, okay, which is great. They obviously have a paid one, but they have free checking. Now, what is required to be a member with Petelco? Okay, first of all, it's open membership nationwide. You don't have to live in California to bank with them, to do business with them. You can literally be in Hawaii, Florida, Idaho, New York, and you can join right online and join through the associations that they have available. I believe that they have the same association that First Tech Federal Credit Union has, with the fitness one that you can just join. So if you're a member of that, you can get in, no problem. But you don't have to be a resident of California to be able to bank with them, okay? It's also going to be a soft pull, okay? So you guys need to know that as well. They will check systems. And I was able to find out that they're going to be doing, it was either Equifax or Experian. So double check me on that for the hard pull on their credit products. Double check. It looked like Experian from all of the research that I did. I'm just double checking real quick on my paperwork here. Yes, it looks like it was Experian, but double check. Most credit unions, they use Equifax, but in this case, it looks like they're using Experian for hard pulls. Remember, membership is a soft pull nationwide through an association. You can join online. They have the free checking, okay? Now, to get these credit products that I'm about to tell you about, you're going to want to have a savings and a checking, and set up direct deposits or having some cash going in and out of the account every single month to build up what I call internal data points. It's just basically showing that you are an asset to the credit union, and sometimes you have to pay to play and work this way in for that relationship banking. Okay. Now let's talk about the credit cards. Okay. They got a couple of them, okay? The first one they have is the Pure MasterCard, 0% APR for 6 months on balance transfers, okay? What I love about their credit cards is there's no annual and no balance transfer fees. That's super great. APRs are super low. 6.2 is really low, okay? Just a basic good credit card for everyday purchases. What I love about this too is you're going to see, just like NASA, just like Navy Federal, you're going to be able to get pre-qualified for these credit cards, which is really great as well. They also have the World MasterCard. No annual, no balance transfer fees, and then you're going to be able to get the points and all of that jazz. I'll let you guys look through that later. I'm trying to keep it super quick because we got a lot to cover. But like I said, you can find out your credit limit before you apply. Get pre-qualified. So this is going to be, and I'm going to show you too, like for example, if we clicked on this get pre-qualified, Patelco runs a soft credit pull to create a personalized credit card offer without doing your credit score. If you then submit a credit card application, we'll request your full report. Boom. Okay, so it's going to literally be a soft pull right there that you do. Very easy. Now, these credit limits go up to $50,000. Okay, $50,000. High limit credit funding, people, right here with Petelco. Big fan of them. Okay, so you're going to be able to pre-qualify what you got approved for, what your limit was. This is going to be stated income as well. There's no POI here, so that's going to be super valuable. We jump over to the loan products. Okay. Personal loans and lines of credit. They're going to have a lot of them available. Overdraft protection, line of credit, secured loans, debt consolidation, personal loans. Not going to cover everything, like I said. You guys can check it out. The link will be in the description as well. Borrow up to 50 grand. Rates start as low as 5.7%. No origination fees, no prepayment penalties. Skip a pay program available too, where you're able to skip a payment a year, it looks like. Which is really, really cool. Okay, so you can check your rate. You can pre-qualify. Again, that's something that, and then they have the loan calculator here, so you guys can go through that. The other thing that they have here is the overdraft line of protection, which is $5 grand. Okay, that's super cool. Skip a payment as well. No monthly fee or cash advance fee, and avoid overdraft fees when linked to your account. Guys, that's incredible. A $5K overdraft line of credit on your checking account. So as you guys can see already in this conversation, Navy Federal is great, but man, what happens if you have Navy Federal and this, and you're starting to build out these lines of credit and these credit cards, and you're saving your hard pulls and getting pre-qualified before you even waste a hard pull? Super great, right? Signature line of credit. How would you like to have a $50,000 line of credit for real estate investing, for anything that you want to start your business up? For those of you guys that don't know what a line of credit is, it's a hybrid between a credit card and a loan. You guys can check out all of my playlists, financial literacy. I talk about all this stuff. Literally, if you guys like this channel, look at my playlist and see what interests you and just binge watch it. And then add questions in the comment section and I'll get to them, or the community will get to them. And then you can check out your loan calculator as well there. So we've covered the loans, the lines of credit, and then we already covered that. The overdraft line of credit, boom. Okay, now we got the auto loans. As low as 2.45%. I believe they had a deferment on, make no car payments for up to 90 days. Okay, so if you guys were to get a car for Turo, if you guys were going to get a regular vehicle for the holidays, you can literally get pre-qualified with them as well. Check your rate, right? You guys kind of see on new cars, up to 140% financing with guaranteed asset protect, flexible terms up to 7 years as well. So guys, the loans are pretty sweet here. So if you were to get this, let's say for Christmas time, you wouldn't literally have, if this offer's still going on, that's until like March, until you make your first payment, and then you have your tax returns and stuff like that coming right after that. So it's up to you guys, but this is a pretty sweet credit union. Their credit cards are 50 grand. Their personal lines of credit and their loans are 50 grand. They got overdraft protection. They got secured loans as well. Now their secured loan I had was 300 to 5 grand, 3.95 APR, automatic payments, no direct deposit, no deposit required, no credit, and bad credit's okay. So it's called the Score Up Credit Builder as well that they have. So guys, this is a really good credit union. Home loans. Let's talk about that. 3%. Okay, it's a little bit high. You can get in the 2s still right now, but they lend up to 2.5 million. They have low down payment options as low as 3%. Okay. I mean, they have, close on your new home purchase in as few as 18 days guaranteed. Guaranteed. Okay. They got everything. You can refi, low down payment options, VA loans, you name it. Then they have the calculator that you guys can go through it as well. And of course, my favorite, the home equity lines of credit. Okay, so you got your HELOC up to $250,000 with no closing costs, no annual fee, no prepayment penalty or closure fee. It's amazing, guys. Check out Patelco Credit Union. I'll put the link in the description. Smash the like button so other people can see this as well. I'm going to be literally giving you all of the credit plugs and credit plays on credit unions, because credit unions are going to be key to building a massive wealth portfolio, guys. Banks aren't going to lend to you like the credit unions will, and especially in this economy. If you have bad credit, fair credit, you can quickly repair it through credit unions. They'll give you funding that the banks won't give you. They're more flexible than the banks for the most part, and you can get some pretty cool loan products and build some great relationships with the credit unions to build even a real estate empire, or drop shipping, or whatever the case is. You can leverage debt to create assets. Guys, I've talked enough. I'm going to be doing some more videos here, so make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Check out the next video. Put your comment in the comment section. Ask a question if you got one, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate you more than you know. Take care. Peace.